Hi, my name is Alake Pilgrim, and I'm the author of Zoe and the Forest of Secrets, an exciting adventure full of fantastical and futuristic twists set on a Caribbean island. So today I'm going to tell you about some books that I love or I'm looking forward to reading. And first of all, I would say Josephine Against the Sea. It's by Shakira Bourne, and it's an amazing fantasy for kids that's set on the island of Barbados. Then I would suggest When Life Gives You Mangoes. That's by Karine Getton. And it's really a mysterious story, kind of with maybe some surprising twists set on the island of Jamaica. Another book that I love is Elle McNichol's Like a Charm. Now, this is a story about a neurodivergent girl who has some access to a magical world. I also really want to read Ree and the Blood of the Nectar. That's by Payal Doshi. And that's also a fantasy story influenced by Indian culture. And then last but not least, I would definitely suggest another Nights of book, kind of like Elle's, but this is really different. It's by Behana Islam, and it's called The Dastardly Duo. And for anyone who loves fun characters with big families and exciting hijinks, this is the book for you. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed my book recommendations and that you love reading as much as I do. Bye.